Guys, so I'm back with another review and I'm super excited because if you guys know me, you know that I love big curly hair. Love it, love it, love it. I'm back with another burgundy color wig and she's by Janet Collection. Now this is from their natural curly collection, and this is a natural afro Leon. Okay, yeah, so the name is Natural Afro Leon, or you could just say Leon, and I have her in the color Cardinal, and it's beautiful. It's so gorgeous. If you're not into big curly hairs, especially like the natural ones like this, something's wrong with you. I don't know, I'm saying it, something's definitely wrong because this is cute. This is too cute. Okay, so it comes in 1B number 2, and then you can get Orangeade, Cardinal, Caramel, and FS1B30. So you can get it in your natural colors if you want to. Now first things first, when I took it out of the box, it already had a little bit of volume to it, so all you have to do is just shake it upside down just to loosen the curls a bit, and once you put it on, then you can just fluff it out or, you know, shape it up to suit you. Now I did go in with my scissors and I trimmed a little bit off of it, you know, like here and there, but I really didn't need to. I could have just tucked it in. I hate to really cut most of my curly, like big curly hairs like this. I hate to go in and trim it down because sometimes like if you lay down in it, although you're not really supposed to, but you know, if you lay down in it or whatever and then you get up and then it looks kind of crazy and then you try to fix it again, sometimes if you cut too much it could turn out to look even worse. So I try not to cut too much. I try to just leave it and just fluff it out and kind of tuck the parts in so I can shape it up with my hands, opposed to having to actually cut too much off of it. But guys, like I said, it's perfect straight out the box. Like, it's throw on and go pretty much, like I said. Okay, so once you put it on, shape it up and you're good to go. Okay, you could shape it up with your hands. You do not need a scissors, you do not need a comb. I used it because I wanted to trim here and there, but you really don't need it. Like, to be honest, you don't need anything other than your 10 commandments right here. That's it. But anyway, guys, it doesn't say here if this is heat safe or not, and I don't think it really matters because nobody's adding heat to this here. It is you could wash it, sorry. So the care instruction is on the back of the stock card and stuff like that. It tells you how to take care of it and all that good stuff, so you have that there. But guys, this is what the stock card looks like right here, and I will leave a link in the description box just in case you want to go purchase, and I'll leave a list of all the colors down below there as well so you guys can check it out. I am gonna make this into a giveaway. If you do want to win yourself this wig, make sure to participate in the giveaway in the comment section down below. The rules will be pinned down there. I know most of the times I give away like lace front wigs, so I just thought, you know, why not? I'll just give away a wig like this. Maybe you guys, well, some of you guys might like it. So yeah, this is definitely going to be a giveaway. So if you guys want to win this, please make sure to check the description box, not the description box, the comment section down below. Participate and the winner will be announced this upcoming Friday in the giveaway announcement video. You know when I'm smiling? Anytime I come on here like really smiling, that means I really love the wig. If I'm not smiling that much, maybe I like it, but I'm just not that excited about it. This, I'm excited about it because I'm just so in love with these type of big curls. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys have any questions about the wig or anything else, leave it in the comment section down below. I'll be sure to answer you as soon as possible. Like, subscribe, follow us on all our social media accounts. Everything is at WigTypes, and I'll definitely see you soon. Bye.